Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am going to explain sketch electric field lines or electric field lines of force. Okay, now sketch electric field lines or other name, draw the electric lines of force. Lines of force, same meaning. Okay, now it will come short type questions, 1 mark, half 2 or 2 mark sometimes will come. Okay, important. Now the catch the electric field lines, about your 20 diagrams are there, important. Anyone will come in your board examination. Okay, now 1. For isolated point charge, for isolated point charge. Point charge isolated means point charge, positive point charge से isolated, Q greater than 0. It means Q equal to positive. Okay, now take positive plus Q, take attention all of them to the diagram. Now plus Q, round it, plus Q, the center. Now due to positive charge, electric field lines are radially outward direction, just like a sunlight ray. Okay, first draw 4 directions and add 4 corners. Okay, next corner. Now diagram is a very nice pole. Okay, that is a radially outward direction. It is a electric field lines for positive point charge. Number 2, for isolated negative charge. For isolated negative charge. Negative charge means Q less than 0. Okay, or Q equal to minus negative. Take source charge as a negative, round it, minus Q. In negative charge, lines of force or electric field line E is radially inward. Radially just inward. Okay, draw in 4 directions. Okay, east, west, north and south. Then 4 corners, draw uniform direction. Okay, like this direction diagram is always nice pole. Okay, that is a diagram. Lines of force or electric field lines for negative charge Q, minus Q. 3. Diagram. For electric dipole. You know dipole, plus or minus Q. Dipole, plus or minus Q. Electric dipole. Take one positive, other negative, minus Q, round it, plus Q, round it. Okay, positive negative direction, force of attraction, hence lines of force is positive to negative. Do you know positive, negative? Electric lines of force always starting from positive and ending to negative. Okay, coming now positive, ending to negative. Arrow mark towards the negative. Then next negative again. You draw that diagram in such a manner that the diagram will be seen. Nice pole. Okay. Now again end position like here inward, negative inward, and also this corner only one outward, positive direction outward, positive charge, negative charge inward. Okay, complete. That is a lines of force. Then 4. For Q1, Q2 greater than 0. Q1 and to Q2 greater than 0. It means either Q1 positive, Q2 positive, or Q1 negative, Q2 negative. Negative and to negative positive greater than 0. Positive and to positive greater than 0. Okay. Now you take positive say Q1, Q2. Okay. Now same charge, positive repulsion take place. Now central line draw, repulsion take place, repel out. Positive charge, lines of force out. Here out. Same manner, both sides same manner, such that diagram will be nice pole. Okay. Again two, but no lines of force intersect in the same point, doesn't draw, that is wrong. Okay. Now leave it like this manner. That is 1. A part, B part. Q1, Q2 greater than 0 means one is say negative 1 Q1 and Q2 also negative Q2, and same diagram, only direction change, minus Q1 minus Q2, direction change, only same manner, draw the central line, also force of repulsion not attraction, hence same manner like this, both sides inward direction, negative charge inward, same inward. Okay, understand all of them. Now next going to for 2 positive charges, number 5. For 2 positive charges, Q1 greater than Q2. Say, okay, say. Now, take Q1 positive, also Q2 positive. But Q1 is greater than Q2. It means it indicates the neutral point. Neutral point exists when Q1, Q2 same magnitude. Neutral point exists at the center of midpoint or center of dipole. But in this case, Q1 is greater than Q2. Q2 is smaller. Hence, the neutral point exists near the smaller charge in magnitude. Okay, now draw here. Same charge repel, same manner, you draw. Positive, outward direction. outward direction. Okay, same manner draw a central line. Neutral point exists near charge Q2, neutral point, not middle point of the between two charges. Okay, that is difference. Next, going to for 6 point for plus 2 coulomb and minus 1 coulomb. Draw the lines of force. Okay, a ratio you do know. Say Q1 equal to say plus Q coulomb, Q2 equal to minus 1 coulomb. Therefore, Q1 by Q2 ratio equal to 2 is to 1. Take mode. Okay, minus 1. That is a mode equal to 2 is to 1. Say you draw in the diagram lines of force or electric field line in such a manner that the ratio is 2 is to 1. Suppose you draw Q1 has 8 lines of force, Q2 has 4 lines of force. Ratio 8 by 4 equal to 2 is to 1. Like this manner, as according to your will, you can draw it. Okay, now going to draw this. Take plus Q1 here. Plus Q1 equal to how much? 2 plus Q. Again here. Q1 equal to plus 2 C. Say. Like this. And Q2 equal to minus 1 coulomb. Like this man. Okay. Now, draw the line of force. Positive, negative ending. Lines of force starting positive, ending to negative. Negative. Okay. Now here 4 lines of force both have. 2 coulomb has 4 lines of force. Minus 1 coulomb has 4 lines of force. But we extra, you take 4 for Q1 because Q1 coulomb is more than that of Q2. Then here again now. Like this manner. Here see, both are positive charge, lines of force radial outward. Hence, now count. Q1 is 80 lines of force. Inner side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Q1 equal to 8 lines of force. Q2 equal to 4 lines of force. Ratio Q1 by Q2 equal to 8 by 4 equal to 2 is to 1. Okay, that is it. How to draw the lines of force according to different charges in magnitude. Okay. Now next going to number 7. For infinitely charged conductor, important this. For infinitely charged, positive charged conductor. A 7 A. Okay, take infinitely charged conductor. Say like this: infinitely charge. Assume that is a infinite length. Okay, positive charge conductor. How to draw the lines of force? You know, both sides positive, hence radially outward. Uniform field, not thickness same. Okay, not thickness different. That is wrong. Uniform. Both sides going on radial outward. Okay, that is a per point infinite long straight positive charged conductor. B negative charged conductor. Per negative charged conductor. Negative charge take negative charged conductor minus. Lines of force same, radially inward. inward, inward, inward. Okay, that equal lines of force. How to draw the charged, infinite long straight charged conductor. Next, going to number 8. For uniform electric field, or uniform electric field, uniform electric field lines are force draw. Now parallel, thickness same, not different thickness, distance apart equal. That is uniform electric field. Lines are force uniform electric field. E field length every point inside equal. E like this. Okay. Uniform electric field. Non-uniform. 9. Non-uniform electric field line. Now that is a parallel also. This is a here thickness difference. That is a non-uniform. Non-uniform electric field. All you can write non-uniform also like this. Here non-uniform. Non-uniform E. Non-uniform E1, E2 like this. Well, uniform, non-uniform electric field. Electric field every point. This is a E1, E2, E3 like this, not equal to E. Okay, that is uniform, non-uniform electric field. Then for a next 10, for a capacitor. Capacitor. You don't know about capacitor because it is a head, topic is a head, hence a capacitor means a two plates having equal charges. Positive one, other is negative. Okay, see, draw the diagram. That is a positive plate, plus Q, negative plate, minus Q. Okay, minus charge. That is a parallel plate capacitor, or this is a capacitor. Okay, capacitor. That is positive plate, negative plate. You know, inside that two plates, electric field is uniform. So radially outward, positive negative ending, parallel. Okay, that is a parallel uniform electric field. Okay, but two ends are point shape because the two ends are surface area are points, point charge. Assume that is a core. Assume core. Okay. Now today class is over. That's all. Thanks to all of you.